Good day inside the lane. So we have a brand new episode for our podcast. Me again, Coach Micah. Okay, now let's talk about training, Coach Micah. Okay, so my question to you, Coach Micah, paano mag-improve ang isang swimmer sa training at magkaroon ng magandang results?
So, for us to be able to improve for example, ako yung swimmer, para rin siyang school, I have to attend kung ano yung nakalagay na program. If it's every day for 5 days, yun, attend ako. Yun yung isa sa mga basic na requirement for you to improve or for you to learn. Yun yung basihan. Pero for you to improve drastically, kung ano yung program na punasan ka, susundin mo yun. Tapos, of course, hindi ka mag-miss ng practice sessions. Yun yung number one na doon. There's no secret. Talaga you just need to show up. And then after showing up, doing it the right way, doing it right the first time, tapos doing everything in proper, tsaka in technique.
Yes.
So, ayun. Meron days talaga na hindi siya magiging perfect. Kasi we're all humans. Like, for today, you don't feel comfortable doing this routine or this workout. Kasi under the weather ka, pwedeng may sipon, ganun. So, marami siyang factors. But showing up, it will like give you 1% improvement sa araw na yon. Hindi mo yun makukuha kung hindi ka pumunta or nagpakita. So, yun yung isa sa mga secrets doon. There's no any secrets. But yun, talagang number one is for you to attend on a daily basis. Dun sa program na sinusunod mo. And you have to trust the program, yung kung yung sinusunod mo na program. Ayun yung number one. So, yeah, any technical aspects or mga secret recipes or secret sauce kung tawagin, it's up to them, to the coaches, or to the program director on how they plan the season. And paano yung diskarte on how they, which works best for the swimmer or which best works for the training group. So, ganun. Ako personally, ganun ginagawa ko sa mga age group swimmers and other swimmers. So, what fits for them best and the most, kung maging effective sa kanila, ayun. Magti-tweak lang ako, sobrang konti lang nun. Pero it doesn't mean you cannot, change couple of times. You can.
You can.
You can. Lalo na ngayon, ang dami kong tinitweak. Yung workouts, hindi siya paulit-ulit. So, kung yung iba na nakikita nyo na meron sa program na ginagawa natin, sa ginagawa ko rin, may printout yon. Kung pare-parehas yun, no, hindi siya pare-parehas. Nag-iiba yun, it will vary according to the swimmer, it will vary according to their needs and preparation. Kaya, yun, sa akin, kung may nagpipicture, may nagtitik na okay lang. Hindi naman ako, hindi ko siya sa pinagdadamot. Like, they can grab it. But it's not for all. Kumbaga, nagbabago siya on a daily basis.
Yes. Okay, so my follow-up question, Coach Micah. When it comes to time stagnation, kasi minsan nag-stagnant yung time So parang you feel like hindi ka nag-improve for 6 months, for 3 months. So ano yung magiging strategy ng coach to make this stagnation overcome?
So another very good question, Coach. Sobrang ganda ng tanong na yun, no? Kasi ang improvement din naman yan nakukuha ng madalian.
Yes.
So, depende sa physique ng katawan, physiological features ng swimmer or ng athlete. Pero improvement hindi siya overnight. Like, hindi siya makukuha ng 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, hindi siya makukuha ng ganun kabilis. Kaya nga, merong head coach, merong nagda-direct ng program kung saan ka dapat pumunta. Kapag hindi mo nakikita na hindi ka nag-improve for 6 months or even 12 months, nangyayari yun. Nagiging normal siya. But how? First is resilience. Yung number one, coach. You need to be resilient on doing things the way that you can. Doon talaga natetest kung sino yung totoong athlete. Or sino yung totoong magiging, alam mo yun, mag-upgrade or mag-upskill in the near future if they want to go on this school, to go with this kind of scholarship sa ganitong school. May kita yun ng coach, of course. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng coach natingin sa time and performance. Titingin yun sa soft skills.
Yes.
Titingin yun kung paano niya i-handle yung pain. Number one yung coach. Kahit ako, yun yung tinitingnan ko eh. Yung results magko-follow yun lahat. It
comes in the training, regular training.
And everything will come to fruition talaga. Hindi siya basta.
Yes.
So, if 6 months, some of you, 12 months, nag-improve ng just hundreds of a seconds, hundreds of a seconds, is fine. It's still improvement. Diba, coach? So, parang yun, sample ko kay Katie Ledecky, last, like second quarter of this year, yung world record niya sa 800 free. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, na-break niya lang yun ng just hundreds of a second after nearly a decade. Ayun. Yun, malaking bagay yun. So, big sabihin, diba, coach, it really means a lot to her. So, sa atin din, breaking those times, even it's just hundreds of a second.
Hundreds of the seconds.
It really means so much. So, yun. Number one is resilience. As pangalawa, just follow what's the program flow.
Yeah, okay. So, that's a very magandang answer from Coach Micah. So, Coach Micah, thank you for pagbibigay linaw dito sa ating mga dalawang question na importante when it comes to training a swimmer. Okay? Thank you, Coach Micah.
Thank you.